Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on the application of Duolingo. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Duolingo app and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.